ic30. I replaced my flow switch in my IntelliChlor 30 and still have red blinking flow switch lights.
Okay, there's quite a few possible answers. First thing probably could be that the new flow switch was just bad out of the box, a brand new flow switch. Wouldn't be the end of the world, wouldn't be the first time or the last time that's going to happen, might cause it. Another thing might be in the unit itself. How old is the unit? If it's got some age to it, they do not last forever. Contrary to what people think, buying a salt system does not mean that you're going to save money on chlorine. You won't be buying chlorine, but you'll be replacing units. So that would be thought number 2, is that the unit has just lived its life. Third thing would be flow. Do we have some restrictions in the filter? You may want to put it on recirculate if you have a sand filter, or pull the cartridge out if you have a cartridge filter and run it that way and see, because you may just have some restriction in the plumbing that it's just not getting enough flow. Or another scenario would be a variable speed pump. If you're running a variable speed pump, is it not activating on a lower speed? Check it on a higher speed. It's really, that's one of those 4 things is likely what's going on. And if the unit is more than 3 or 4 years old, I would just automatically replace it, would be the suggestion from me. If not, if it's a fairly new unit, then I would go back and go through the flow switch and see if in fact you're getting contact when the flow happens. The other possibility as well would be, now that I think about it, would be when reinstalling it, was it installed in the right direction? Because again, water flowing through from the way that it's supposed to is going to activate that flow switch. If it was put back in backwards, that flow switch typically will not engage, which would mean that it's not working.